The mandate of the Film Commission is twofold. First, to develop the local film industry, and then secondly, to market Namibia as a location to countries outside for international productions. And before the lockdown even, when the state of emergency was announced by our government, and because of the nature of the film business, it was impacted with immediate effect. So if we look at the commission itself, of course, it means no travel, no events to promote Namibia, festivals around the world. But when we look at the impact on the industry locally, we can look at it in two ways. We have the local content creators who benefit also from from funding from the Namibia Film Commission, which now can obviously not be executed. And then secondly, the facilitating companies who facilitate productions for international companies that come into the country. We're looking at businesses that have lost business immediately because projects were either cancelled or postponed indefinitely. And then we are looking at our technical crew, because we have a lot of freelancers within the industry. And if the production company does not have a project, then it means that the industry at large is affected directly. I also want to stipulate here that it is important to realize that the film industry is closely linked to tourism. There is a spin-off there. And we work, apart from the fact that film is an industry that basically connects so many art disciplines under one umbrella, but we are also creating connectivity between different sectors within our economy. If we're looking at any film production that happens, you are looking at hospitality that is going to benefit from that. You're looking at the transport sector, catering. So all of these support services and sectors are also now indirectly affected. So the economic impact on the film industry has been felt significantly with immediate effect.